My name is Manny Martinez. I am the store manager in ShopRite Columbia Park. I grew up in El Salvador. My family owned a grocery store right over our house. I do have people asking me if I have this like Salvadorian items, and I'm like, yeah, I do. I do have Salvadorian and some Central American items. We used to sell this in my mom's store, the same exact ones. This is what my mom used to make. This is concentrated, but my mom used to make it from the actual fruit. So my mom used to make it, and we used to eat it before it sold. So my mom used to get mad because we used to eat it prior to her selling it, even though she was making it. I kind of tried to relate that to my son. So I kind of show him things like what I used to do when I was little, and things that grandma used to do and to me, and that she still does for him. So being a first generation American, it's wild. We have all the roots from malanga to batata. We have tamarind from Costa Rica. We have calabaza from Mexico. So you have a variety of produce that is used on a daily basis in a Spanish or an ethnic community. De nuestra familia a la suya, los invito, vengan. Nuestras puertas siempre están abiertas.